Crossrope jump ropes unboxing. Why did I say it like that? Crossropes jump rope unboxing. This is the Crossrope jump rope, the most expensive jump rope I've ever seen. I was hesitant to buy it, but luckily my sister bought it for me. This is the light set. I decided to go with the light set because I'm a newbie jump roper. I was like, I'll do this, and then if I really want to upgrade to the strong set, I'll upgrade to the strong set. Get clean set, is that what it's called? Get lean set, there it is. Get lean set by Crossrope jump ropes. Welcome to your fun new workout. We jump. Crossrope founder Dave Hunt, your fitness to your fitness success. And then a nice Instagram, want to show off, tag us, hashtag we jump, hashtag Crossrope. Crossrope fitness, get lean set. This is the front of the box. I got the 1/4 pound rope and the half rope and the slim handles, as you can see right on the box over here. This is the large for 6 feet, 9 feet. Oh my God, I gotta show you what it looks like. It looks freaking dope. Okay, let's open the box for you real quick. Oh my God, check this out, are you ready? One, this angle and this lens looks beautiful. 2, 3, the Crossrope get lean set for you right there. Beautiful, check it out, unboxing. I feel like I should be sponsored, but I'm not sponsored. If they have a referral link, it's down below, use that to buy. Get started in 3 easy steps. So I actually downloaded the app and I did one of their jump roping classes. I bought a jump rope off Amazon, like a $10 jump rope, and they broke both times. So I was like, all right, I just want to get a nice jump rope that I know will work. So you can download the app, create your profile, choose your workout, and have fun jumping. They have like, I think their membership's like $10 a month for jump rope workouts, which I was like, whoa, that's a lot. But jump roping, I think, is the highest intensity, the most calorie burning, and it's just it's the best, it's the most efficient cardiovascular workout from what I could tell. Don't count me on that, it's from what I read. These are the handles, the Get Lean slim handles. These are the slim handles right here. The slim handles, they come in a nice plastic. ASMR. Ooh. It's like a nice silicone grip. They're rather thin, so like my hand can grip on it, pretty nice. And then up here is where you latch on the actual rope, and you can switch it out because there's multiple kinds of ropes. This is the Get slim handles, come on. Second one. So 2 handles, right? 2 handles right there. Beautiful, stunning. And then, be different, go jump. More than just a jump rope, 1/4 pound. So the weight isn't actually inside of the rope itself. And I'm super excited to try this out. You can also buy these. They have pads too. I think if you rope on concrete, these are more likely to break over time. And I think I'm just gonna use it on concrete because the place I'm gonna jump rope has the best view. So there's the box, here we go. Ooh, they got some stickers. And then a little baggie to put the ropes in. Wonderful. And it says Crossrope on it. Boom, look at that, that's beautiful. It's like a nice bag, about twice the size of my head. And then finally, at the very bottom, we have the 1/2 pound rope right here. And they have this little Velcro, if you can tell on the bottom, to hold it together. And I assume if you're traveling, you can use that Velcro while you're traveling with the rope. Look at that, this is a nice rope. Like it's like silicone maybe. And, oh my God, I'm freaking stoked. I'm gonna go jump rope right now and show you what this is like, dude. Okay, so I guess we can stuff, like if you wanna travel with these or you're going to the gym or something, you stuff them in. Bada bing, bada boom. And then when you wanna latch them on, let's see how this works. Is there ASMR to it? If you look at this little piece, this handle piece right here, you can see there's these little clamps. And I think what you do is and on the side of the jump rope, if you can see right there, there's a little like edge, like it's tooth edge, right? And you press the clamps and it goes right on. Bada bang. There it is. The Crossrope rope has been linked. And then you go to do the other side. Same thing right here. Can you just push it in? Oh, you can just push it in. That's actually just to take it off. So if I want to put it on, easy off. Yeah? That's cool, that's cool. Ready? Boom. And now you jump with this and just this. Should we try it out? The thing is, I live in an apartment building, and if I jump rope, I'm gonna disturb my downstairs neighbors. So just for this one, I don't know which one I put on. I put the heavier one. Oh well, oh, and this thing comes right off. It doesn't tie on, which, you know, I don't think that would be ideal. Let's try jump roping. And let's hope we don't break anything. A little tangled here, okay. This feels like a nice jump rope, and I know, and since the handles are removable, you can replace the bottom part at any time. So now we just have to make sure we're not gonna hit anything. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh my God. All right. Ooh. I can already feel the heaviness of the jump rope. Oh my God, I am stoked to try this out so much right now. It feels heavy, it feels more intense, like the cardiovascular workout's gonna be like more gnarly. I'm gonna go try this out, and I'll do a full review on this video, but this is the unboxing of the Crossrope Get Lean set. I got a discount because I went on this YouTube channel, the Jump Rope Dudes, and the Jump Rope Dudes had this link, and I think, I don't know, when I was buying it, so for some reason, whoa. The one that's discounted, you can't use the code if you try to buy the normal one on the website, so you have to use their link because it's like a different product, and the code only works for a different product. And I don't know if that one included the bag, but this one did. That's how I got it, like 10% off. So go check out their video. Hopefully it'll be recommended, or mine was right after theirs. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Crossrope Get Lean set. Thanks for watching. My name is Shervin Shares. I share products, services, and experiences that help you achieve your peak performance. Cardiovascular strength is important. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. What's up?